Hey guys, welcome back straight away. You're welcome to the eerie sounds of Nuketown and its inhabiting zombies. Need that max ammo, man. Need it. Oh shit. No. No. Shit. Really? Everyone else gets such a big bonus. But not me, because of those stupid zombies. The sounds of war on this map. There's really nothing quite like the other works of art that Treyarch has done. Really nothing quite like the other works of art. Check that. So far I've done 19 kills. I'm in second place for kills, which is actually really awesome. Oh, get some. Not me. I'm saving up. I've actually got a tactic right now, which I'm just trying to save up at this point. Oh, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Shit. Oh shit! Right into the trap. Come on, boys, start shooting at him. Oh fuck. Well, I did all I could do. Oh! What? Oh! What, boy? What? What, boy? What you been up to, huh, boy? I said, boy? Boy? What do you think you're doing? Laughing at me, huh? That's something you don't want to do, huh? Yeah, huh? Yeah. Yeah, in all seriousness, guys. If you haven't done already, you should get Nuketown. It's really cheap. I bought it. It's a fun map. It's probably the most eerie piece of work that they've actually done, which I found it really cool. Like, I loved Nuketown in general, and the zombie map made me like the map even more. But all it made me do was like, shit, what happened here? What happened? What happened? But no serious, guys. You should get Origins. You should get Nuketown. Buy those maps. They're actually really fun. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one.